Today we're at the Faraday Lecture Theatre in Swansea University. The purpose of us being here today is giving a presentation in relation to issues surrounding consent and sexual offences. Year on year we're seeing an increase at Morrison CID in relation to sexual offences that have been reported to us, and is predominantly involving students in general. So the purpose of today is to make their awareness in relation to issues surrounding consent and other sexual matters. The issues surrounding consent, people meeting for the first time, taking people back to their rooms on the first occasion, drinking alcohol to excess, taking drugs, and then those lines of consent tend to get blurred where somebody does not understand no means no in relation to sexual offences. Sometimes they start off consensually and then consent is withdrawn, and there's the understanding then with those consent issues like in relation to a person if they're drunk to excess and are out of it, or in a position where they are totally incapable of providing that consent, then obviously if any sexual activity that takes place after that, then that person commits an offence. We're hoping that as a result of the presentation, which has also been streamed live across the campus, it has in excess of 13,000 followers, so we're hoping to raise awareness in relation to the consent issues and how people can best protect themselves to avoid them being victims of any sexual offences in the future.